Exercise 7.2 problem 2 discussion. So let's read this problem. A girl of height 150 cm stands in front of a lamp post and casts a shadow of length 150 root 3 cm on the ground. Find the angle of elevation of the top of the lamp post. So let's draw a simple diagram. So this is the lamp post, a vertical line. Then this is a girl standing in front of the lamp post. Okay, and this is a ground level. Right now, the light will pass from here. From here, it touches her head and forms a shadow here. Right. So this will be the length of the shadow. Please understand this very carefully. So this is a lamp post. This is the girl standing in front of the lamp post. And then what will happen? The light from here, you have to see only the extreme points, then only it will become easy. So starts from here, the light starts here, touches her head, and then straight comes and hits the ground. So this is the shadow, length of the shadow. Okay, then what will happen? Now we are asked to find the angle of elevation. So basically from here, this is the angle of elevation, right? For the person, she looks on top of the top of the lamp post. So this is her angle of elevation. But if you see carefully, this is the line, right? This line and this line are parallel. The ground level and this level is this is the eye level, right? The eye level is horizontal. So this is also horizontal. So these two lines are parallel, and which means this angle is also theta. The same angle of elevation is this angle theta degrees. You got it? So now take a look at it. What happens now? You are asked to find the angle of elevation theta. So theta, and these two dimensions are given. The girl's height is given as 150 cm and the shadow length is 150 root 3 cm. Right? So then tan theta will be opposite side by adjacent. So from that you will be able to get the value of theta. Got it? Let me repeat this diagram actually. So this is a lamp post, this is a girl, and this is the ground level. And if you want a shadow, see you have to connect or find out the extreme points actually. The head and the foot are the two ends of the girl, right? So this is on the ground, so the shadow starts here. And where will the head fall? So you have to see the top of the lamppost, connect the line to the head of the girl, and extend it to the ground level. So that will be the shadow. So this will be the shadow on the ground level, and that is given as 150 root 3. Okay, and what is the angle of elevation? It's always from the eye line actually. So this is the girl. Let's say this is her eye level. Okay, actually it will be here, but for our practical purposes we'll take this. So this is her eye level. So she will be looking up at the lamppost. So this angle is the angle of elevation. But as I said, the eye level is horizontal. So this is also horizontal. It's the same line which is getting extended, right? So these two lines are parallel and this line is the same line. So which means this is also the same angle theta. So if you want to find this, it's as good as finding this. And this you can find it using tan theta, tan relationship. Tan theta is opposite side 150 divided by the length of the shadow, which is 150 by root 3, and from which you can calculate the angle theta. Okay, so basically have that as a point. So what is given? The height of the girl is given and the length of the shadow is given, and you are asked to find the angle of elevation of the lamppost. Okay, it's given. Let's list it out. Height of the girl, shadow, length. We need to calculate angle of elevation of the lamppost. The formula, as I said, see, if you look after drawing the diagram, you see this is known and we are asked to find this. So you'll have to find a relationship between this angle and these two sides, and it is tan theta which connects this angle to this side and this side, because tan theta is opposite by adjacent. For this angle, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. So tan theta is the right relationship. If you take sin theta, you will go wrong, because sin theta will give you opposite by hypotenuse. It will give you AE, and AE is not known. Suppose they have given you AE and the girl's height, then sin theta has to be used. But in this case, they have given you this side, opposite side, and adjacent side, and they are asking us to find this angle. So tan theta is the right relationship. So what are the steps? First, draw a rough diagram and mark everything. Next, let theta be the angle of elevation. Then substitute the value height of girl and the length of the shadow in tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent, which is opposite is girl's height divided by adjacent is the length of the shadow. So these two are known. So from which you can get the value of tan theta and then from there you can calculate the value of theta. Okay. So please pause the video here and try to work this problem on your own, and on completion please come back and check your working against our solution. Okay. A solution. The figure, let me just explain the figure one more time because it's very important. This is the lamp post, this is the ground level, and this is the girl standing in front of the lamp post. Okay. So the shadow will fall on the so the light rays will start coming here, it will touch her head and it will come and fall at the ground level. So this will be the end of this will be her head in the shadow, right? And this is her foot. So join this is the shadow. Understand this very clearly. This is the girl, so, and this is the shadow. Her foot will be here, which will be here, and the head will come here in the shadow. So this is the length of the shadow, right? Now this is girl side is given and this is given, and they are asking us to find the angle of elevation. This is theta, right? Angle of elevation is always when you look up, that is the angle of elevation. So you draw a line, horizontal line through your eye level. Basically this is your eye level, and then draw another line, or your line of vision. So draw another line connecting your eye to the top of the lamp post. The angle between these two is the angle of elevation. So this is what we are asked to calculate. But if you see this line, which is horizontal line, your eye level is horizontal and this is also horizontal. So these two lines are parallel, and it is the same line which is getting extended. So which means this angle is also this angle. Both are equal. These two lines are parallel and this line passes through that. Any line cutting through is adjacent angles, right? Corresponding angles. So this angle and this angle are corresponding to each other. So these two angles are equal. Now we want to find this, so we can find this. And what is this? This is tan theta is opposite by adjacent, right? So let the theta be the angle of elevation. Let BE, what is BE? BE be the girl, and CD be the lamp post, and AB be the shadow, right? And theta is the angle of elevation, and this is it's also the same angle here. Now here we know BE is 150 centimeter, AB is 150 root 3 centimeter. It's all given here, right? Next, in this triangle ABE, now let's not consider this whole thing. We'll consider only this part of the figure because this is where the dimensions are given, because I don't have any dimensions here. So there is no point considering ADC. We'll have to consider only A, B and E. So tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent, that is 150 divided by 150 by root 3. So this 150 and 150 will cancel. Okay, you'll get 1 by root 3. And tan 30 is 1 root 3. Therefore, theta is 30 degrees. Okay. So, I hope I made it clear for you. If not, please go through this video one more time. The key is to draw the diagram and understand it carefully. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.